Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a quick, simple, like orangey look that I had created basically while filming this video. So I thought I'd edit and post it. So we just jump right into the video. I filled in my brows with the Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil in the shade 5. And I'm concealing my brows with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Mocha and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. That was a tongue full. I mean a mouthful. Oh my god, what am I talking about? Okay. So I'm basically concealing my brows now. And then now I'm blending the concealer out. And then I seen that I had a cold sore coming, but I had to stop that real quick. I said, no ma'am. Okay, so now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm basically priming my eyes with it. And then you gotta blend it out. And then now I'm taking the Morphe 350 palette and I'm using that orangey shade right there. And I'm basically going to pack it all over my lid. Then I'm going to take that orangey shade next and pack that above that shade. And I'm basically kind of blending them together. So now I'm taking my concealer again and basically cutting just the middle out a little bit so I can put a shimmer. And I'm trying to perfect the shape of the concealer, but yeah. And then right there, you see where my finger was? That's the shimmer I used. I used the last shimmer. For some reason, I couldn't get me showing that shimmer. I don't know what was going on, but yeah, that's the one that I used. And I basically just blend it all together. Blend it out, girl. Alright, so now what I do is I take my Revolution baking powder in the shade Terracotta and I bake, well not bake, I set I set the powder before I put my foundation because my skin is very oily. And then so now I take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360 Mocha and I just blend that out. Then I'm gonna take that NYX concealer and conceal under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow and my chin, and I just blend it out. And please ignore my nails. Oh my god, they were so atrocious in this video. Like, it was not even funny, but I'll live. So now I'm taking my Black Radiant Spritz powder in the shade Ebony, and now I kicked the camera by accident. Lord. And then now I'm setting my face with my MAC Fix Plus. Lord. And then those eyelashes was giving me trouble because I'm like, are they the same lash or not? Like, it was just I was getting irritated. And then now I'm going back in with that same shimmer shade to put in the corner of my eyes and then basically put some on my lid where I think it needed more. And then now I'm taking this blush I got from Shop Miss A, and I can't remember the name of the blush. But when I find out the name, I'm gonna put it in the description box below. And then I'm gonna take these highlighter drops I also got from Shop Miss A, and I forgot why I stopped using them, but girl, when I started blending it out, I said, okay, yes ma'am. Like, that glow was cute by itself. Then when I opened my Anastasia glow kit, y'all, it broke. Not the one that I used, but the other one. And then I spilled it everywhere, like everything. Like, it was all bad. I was so mad. So then I basically put that Anastasia highlighter on top of the highlighter drops. And then I highlighted my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin. I think my cupid's bow. No, I didn't highlight my cupid's bow. If I did, Lord, I can't even see. But yeah. And then I'm basically just wiping off all the foundation and stuff off my lips. And then I didn't even show y'all, but I'm using my lip gloss to basically recreate my natural lip. So I take this Bare Minerals. It's like a mini lip gloss. I think it's in the shade Boss. And I basically put it in the middle of my lips because my natural lips are pink in the middle. So I thought, okay, why not recreate, my natural lip, okay? And it smells so good. It smells like cake or something. I'm like, ooh. Yeah. So that's basically what I do. Yeah, it smells good. So that's basically the end of this video. I would like for everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Check out my last video. I'll probably have it showing up right about now. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.